Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you get the error waiting for proxy tunnel while accessing the Chrome browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now, since the issue is with proxies, you need to remove the proxy, but you cannot remove the proxy through Chrome. You can only do it through internet settings. So press the Windows key and the R button together. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter, and then go to the connections window, the connections tab. Click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and all other checkboxes are unchecked. This should be unchecked especially. Click on OK, then on OK once again. And this should fix the problem if the issue was just with proxy, but if IPv6 is enabled, then you have to disable that as well. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Okay. Now right click on the active network connection and select properties. You'll find something called as Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck it. Make sure that this is unchecked because that means that it is disabled. Click on OK to save the settings and done. And if it still doesn't help, then just restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.